What's up, guys? It's Carlos from New Horizons C, and today is Car Meetup Day. But it's not just any car meetup. It is the 2-year anniversary of the car group, Parker County Corvettes, that I am part of. And so it should be a fun time. So they started off with only about 4 cars for that first meetup, and went from there to now this meetup, which is over 40 different Corvettes. Expecting almost every single generation of Corvette there. And so it should be a really good fun time. I'm excited. It's one of my favorite things to do, to be able to just, take the time and just enjoy being other like-minded people that we love cars, love Corvettes, and all that kind of good stuff. By the way, if you like what you see so far, please consider hitting the subscribe button so you know when the next cool video drops. While we're on the way there, I did have a couple of friends of mine that did have their C8 delivered, and they are part of this club. So was lucky enough to be able to take a little bit of video of all of it. Their experience is one of my favorite things, to be able to see others' first reactions to having their C8, to having their first C8. And just the smile in general, and the feeling of it, and just the overall experience, just being able to kind of relive it under their eyes. It's one of the best things that I could ever be able to see, and I'm really glad I was able to get a little bit of filming that. So while we're on the way, we'll show a little bit of that video so you guys can experience the same thing I experienced and how amazing that is. So with that being said, let's start the video. So how I found this group was actually through Facebook. I was new to the area. I moved from Orlando, Florida, over here to Fort Worth, Texas, and didn't know really any car groups at all, or car enthusiasts in general. And just looked on Facebook, just on these different car groups, and what I have found is smaller groups that are more engaged tend to be better quality than trying to just find the largest kind of group that you have, that can be around in that area. So this club has about just around 200 members, but they're very active. You see some of them on a regular basis, and it's great that it makes that camaraderie so much better, and something that you can really feel a part of a group of people that are like-minded, whether it's specifically Corvettes or C8s or just any kind of car group for that matter. And so that's something I would say in regards to if you're trying to find a car group or a car club to be a part of. Sometimes the smaller is better. Sometimes quality over quantity is better. More likely than not, you're not going to find them on the first try. Sometimes you're going to have to kind of jump around and see what group you jive with well, what group you connect with well. And sometimes it takes a little bit of effort to find to find something to find the right group of people that you want to be a part of. For most places, there's a car group that you can be a part of that you will fit well with. So it just takes a little bit of effort to just try to find what's going to work in your area. Oh, they finally repaved this road. Thank God. It was kind of a little awful, not gonna lie. There is a policeman. I do have the camera set up behind the car to record, so I am hoping that that's not going to be an issue. Hopefully not. It is always funny when I have the camera set up, all the different people that look at the camera. Probably could get a few shots of everyone just like as I'm driving. Quite humorous. You get some people that are just kind of looking at you like, what in the world are you freaking doing? And then you get people that like might get their cameras out and just take some pictures or video or whatnot. So the camera set up for the 360 camera on the back of the car. So it's actually a 3 suction cup mount that I have a carbon fiber staff that holds the actual GoPro in place, so really stiff, as light as possible, so you can kind of get the best kind of footage you possibly can from that kind of angle. So I've used it for a couple of car rallies, a few little driving things here and there, and it's been pretty solid, going up and beyond just normal highway speeds that I've tested so far, which is good, because that would have sucked if it fell off. And glad that I can breathe a little bit easier now that I've kind of felt like gotten some confidence using it. Like the first couple of times I used it, oh my gosh, I was sweating bullets thinking that thing was going to fly off and hit somebody's windshield. But thankfully it didn't. So I'm glad about that. If you're interested in buying something similar for your Corvette, or any kind of car for that matter, if you're doing car rallies or kind of just want to take some cool video, I'll have the links in the description below, so you can take a look at that if it's something that interests you. So we are about to arrive at the meetup spot. So we're going to change gears a little bit, and I'm going to set up the drone so we can get good footage of everyone at the location and kind of show what it's all about. So hope you guys enjoy the video, and we'll talk soon. So thanks again, guys, for tuning in. If you liked what you saw, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see, and we'll see you next time.